right? This is designing a site from ground zero. Now you've taken all of this. Just hold your shift key and move it and highlight and bring it to this place. And that's all. If you want to call it something, you can come here, put this here also. You can double click again, come here and say category. When you come here, highlight this, go to center to centralize that. If you want to centralize all of this, there's no big deal about it. Are we following? Now you do this. If you want to change the color from being different, you can also make it bold, then change the color. This is color. You click on color and you change it to whatever thing you want. One good thing about site is blending. What you are doing must always blend. Now because I've used this color, now what if I want to add this same thing in this side, this same rectangle? What am I going to do? You don't want to go back to this place. You can actually say Ctrl C. You highlight it and write Ctrl C and then do Ctrl V. That's paste. And you take it and put it on this side. I've told you that don't do your site more than this place. Okay? Now when I add it here, I have something in mind for adding it there. I want to actually put several other things here. Now this one is up to this place and I want to link other things there. I can double click on this and go back to the shading and add the color. When I add color, okay, I might take this red. I want to write something there. I'll come back to this, right? You write and say hot info. I highlight it, make it big, center, click it up to this. Are we following? We've gotten here. I'll click on this and go to Georgia. I'll take this. Now I'll change the color of this to white. Reason, because of where I'm placing it. Now having done this, I'll come back. I'll put the stuff here. Now what's the difference between this and the other one I did? The difference is that the other one you cannot, that's your title, you cannot do it the same way I'm doing. When you do your title this way, it will shift. So you need to understand that very well. So I've done this. I can also increase this one to this size. Now this is actually what is a statement here that anybody who comes to this site will see it, right? Now the next thing I'm going to do is come down to where it's, assuming this is where I want to end, I'm going to take this one also and add here. When I add this, if this is where it's going to end, I'll now go to text and type my copyright. It's showing white, so I need to take off the black again. Are we following? I'll take this copyright, I'll call it right, and then I'll put my info at right. Now if you are the one that designed the site, you can actually add a small thing somewhere saying website designed and hosted by. Now you keep this. The other thing is, let us preview this site we have done now. You click on it. This is single current preview. This, I said, this one is for what? For all the sites you have done, all the pages. Now let us preview this. You see where your site is, and it has taken shape. It's even looking more beautiful than the previous thing we have done. This is just cut and paste. I didn't do anything. I didn't design. I didn't use HTML. Right? Now we'll finish this. I'm going to go back again. Discover one thing. This one is saying index, right? Here the title is index. So you must always come back and do what? And right click here, edit pages to get the properties. When you edit, I told you this special effect. You see, apart from being by the side, what you see again there is it's by the corner. Apart from the title, is by the corner, right? So I'm going to come back here and do what? This one should be center, fixed, horizontal, and center. You must